Hello, welcome to the Black Pearl Experience. We are about to unveil this oracle deck that I've been waiting on for a minute. Just came in. It's created by a pretty well-known Italian company. Was founded in around 87. Now I don't know English wise, a lot of people pronounce it low Scribo English way, but the Italian way to pronounce it, I'm going to try my best. Scribeo, yes, low Scribeo. That's the Italian way to pronounce it. It's the cards were made by Elsa, and I'm not going to pronounce her last name. It is that long. Khapatnukovski. I cannot say it, so excuse me for butchering the author's name, but I will put the full name in the description box below. Again, I've been waiting on this deck for some time. This is an erotic oracle. I will be using it coming up for my body party series. That's only available on Patreon. I only release sneak peeks of the body party on YouTube. So if you want the full, you're gonna have to go to join my Patreon. Okay. So with that being said, I'm only going to feature certain cards of this deck. So this will be a mini a mini show, okay, a mini feature of this deck. Also, I will be blurring out some things on this deck. Sorry, my apologies, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. If you have any questions and concerns, you can feel free to comment below, but if you would like a full answer, please email me. I'm going to try to show you the best I can without having other concerns. There's only 35 cards. So I will say that's probably the bummer. There's only 35 oracle cards. But I embrace erotica type decks because sometimes it can give you a different look on a reading. So if you're wondering why I chose this deck that I can't even show you guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, we have number one, the Fire of Desire, and this represents the Aries energy. So this uses a lot of the chakras and astrology. So this is a really cool deck. I'm really excited to use this. Okay. This definitely represents the chakras and astrology. And Eros. We have belief in your beauty. This is Cancerian energy, which can represent the crown chakra. This kind of evokes the emotions in people. So these cards would be good to, for further, description on what the feelings that you are feeling during your reading, if that makes any sense. So the next card is going to be the feelings of an awakened heart. So I definitely see this as someone discovering who freedom. It's the first time I've seen someone dressed, but at the same time, she's still showing everything. We're still in the 7th chakra here. This represents Selena in Aquarius. This represents that Aquarius freedom. Next card, like a flower in spring. This is definitely that Venus and Taurus energy. And then now we're moving to the 6th chakra. So far I'm going to recommend these cards for years more developed with, you know, chakra. I mean, more knowledgeable of their chakras, astrology. So I do not recommend these cards if you are just learning about astrology, if that makes sense to you. Okay. So again, highly suggest you don't go get this deck if you do not get this oracle deck if you were just learning about astrology. Confidence in the power of healing. This is that Virgo. Okay, you know, Virgo is always very helpful, always crafting something together to help. The next one is going to be still in the 6th chakra here. This is Venus and Capricorn. Venus and Capricorn, which is sweet sobriety in feelings. The next one is the truth behind the illusions. 6th chakra, moon in Libra. Next one is the 6th chakra, sun in Pisces. The muse living in my dreams. Definitely see a Megan Fox in this photo. The actress, yeah, definitely. This is definitely Gemini energy. It says sharing tales of love and romance. It's definitely Gemini energy. We are in the 5th chakra. The flow of inspiration. This is Selena in Pisces, the 5th chakra. The lower and the higher self. Venus in Sagittarius. These are pretty deep. These cards are reaching outward. Moon in Leo. Still in the 5th chakra. Next one is protecting your feelings. Protecting your feelings. That's going to be Sun in Libra. Okay, now we're going to the 4th chakra. And this is, of course, located in the center of the chest. This is for better and for worse. Aries energy. Creative intimacy. Selena in Capricorn. Lightness of being is going to be, we're still in the 4th chakra, Venus in Libra, the lightness of being. And the back of these cards are really awesome as well. The promise of unending love, that would be Moon in Gemini. You know, promises, communication, loving and trusting yourself. I I do not recommend these cards for people that are not familiar with their chakras, nor are they familiar with astrology. This is dreams of repressed lust. Moon in Capricorn. Secrets and discoveries. Very romantic energy here. That's Taurus. Still in the third chakra, Sun in Taurus. Next one is the naked self. The naked self. Selena and Leo. Lure of the easiest way. The lure. That's Virgo. Venus and Virgo. This is creating a new self. Lilith in Libra. And Lilith is more like the dark side. Instinctual bliss. We're in the second chakra now, which is the sacral chakra. Wow, a card I don't have to cover. Freedom to be yourself, Sun in Scorpio. I'm shocked. Oh, goodness. Definitely covering that up. Indulging in the impossible pleasure, the secret naughty feeling. Moon in Pisces. A lot of drama going on here. Venus in Aries. And then moving on to the first chakra. Gosh, I can't think of what she looks like. Can't think of it right now, but what reminds me of Laura Croft. Yeah, gives me that Laura Croft vibes. Purity of purpose. The garden at the top of the world. This is Moon in Aries. Hidden by luxury. Venus in Leo. So deep. The roads to regret or remorse. Selena in Cancer. Hate nurtured with love. And that's going to be Lilith in Taurus. This deck does break down the chakras for you a little bit. But it does come in other languages as well. Italian, I believe Spanish. It comes in, I think it comes in, what does it come in? Italian, I believe Portuguese. This deck is something serious. I do not recommend this deck for beginners. I do not. But this is a very good oracle deck to have a part of your collection. So I'm so sorry I could not completely show everything. But you guys will be able to see the full cards, during my body party series. And I'm actually about to use it really quick for a body party reading. So come on over to the Patreon if you dare. And also YouTube channel, The Black Pearl Experience, which is strictly for the release of readings. I will also be adding these cards, if it calls for it throughout the readings, but I will not show them, or they will be blurred out. So like I said, if you want to get the full energy of these cards, you're going to have to go over to the Patreon, okay, or join Patreon. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. This is a very different very different presentation, but like again, it's only so much I could do on YouTube. So all right, guys, thank you so much for your love and support. Feel free to comment below. Tell me if you are interested in purchasing these cards, or you think about getting them. All right, bye.